While there are animal lovers all around the world, over 50% of British homes have a pet, and they spend over £1.9 billion a year feeding them. The most popular pet animals are cats and dogs. There are nearly 8 million cats and over 6 million dogs in the UK. The most popular breed of dog in the UK is the Labrador Retriever, followed by the Cocker Spaniel, the Springer Spaniel, and the German Shepherd.
I could walk out for 2 minutes and I could walk back in the room and my dogs are absolutely overjoyed to see me. They don't give me any trouble at all, they're always happy, and I just want to give them the best that I can.
This is my cat. Her name is Lola. She's 1 year old and I feed her twice a day.
Because people in the UK like dogs and cats so much, there are special shows where people come to look at animals. This is Crufts Dog Show that is held in March every year. Dogs compete to be the best in show. The dogs can also take part in an agility course where they must run over different obstacles. The best in show wins a cup and £100.
You know, we've never done anything like this at Crufts, and this is absolutely amazing.
However, winning dogs can earn much larger sums of money advertising pet food. Other popular pets in the UK include fish that are kept inside in tanks and outside in garden ponds, rabbits, guinea pigs, and caged birds. There are lots of unusual pets too. Some people in the UK keep snakes, lizards, and even tarantula spiders as pets. This is Bajan in Derbyshire, who shares his home with a pet peacock. The peacock appeared in his garden one day, and Bajan has been feeding it ever since.
Well, he just came in one day, out of nowhere. He seemed to like it here for some reason. I think it's probably all the food I gave him free.
As well as looking after their own pets, many British people support charities that help protect animals throughout the UK. The most important animal charity is the RSPCA, the Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. This was founded in 1824 to improve the lives of working animals such as pit ponies, horses that were used in coal mines. Nowadays, they help look after all kinds of animals, including pets, farm animals, and animals in the wild. In London, the Battersea Dogs and Cats Home looks after lost and abandoned dogs and cats. Battersea opened in 1860, and every year they take in 9,000 animals that they either find on the street or that the public bring them to look after. Battersea Dogs and Cats Home tries to find new homes for these animals, but sometimes they are unable to find enough people to adopt them. Horses are another important animal in British life, and more than 2.4 million people regularly ride them in the UK. There are 32,000 kilometres of bridleways in Britain where people can ride and don't have to use busy roads. Apart from riding horses for pleasure, there are also lots of working horses in the UK. Horses are used by the army on ceremonial occasions such as this one at Buckingham Palace. A third of police forces keep horses and use them to control crowds at public events, protests, and football matches. The events are often very busy, so the police only use very large animals that are around 1.7 meters in height.